How to try ChatGPT Plus or Pro for free from OpenAI. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to chatgpt.com and sign into your account. Now, to check if you have any promotions available or if you're eligible, you can click on your account profile, then go to settings, and from here you want to go down to billing and click on it. And in here you should find all the available offers. Another way to check is to click on the compare plans right here, or click on the upgrade page, which should open up this plans page right here for pricing. And if you do have an offer, you should see something like this. So for example, you can try Plus by upgrading and linking a valid payment method like credit card or PayPal, and you can basically try it for the first month for free, and then the next month you'll be charged $20, which is the price of the Plus subscription plan. Sometimes they do offer the Pro plan, but I'm not sure which countries is available for. And once you click on the upgrade to Plus or upgrade to Pro, it will take you through the payment process. If it's offered for free like this, it will basically ask you to link your payment method, which must be valid, and you won't be charged for the first month until you finish the first trial month, and then you can basically begin being charged for the actual price of the subscription. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.